Okay, welcome back to another Fat Finger demo. So this is in response sort of to a video that I saw someone that made that he's leaving. You can see here the title, 10 years love of Emacs undone by a week of VS Code. Let's see what one of the reasons is that he gives that he wants to leave Emacs. Yep. So take a look at this guy.
It doesn't have emoji support. I really need emojis in my editor.
Right. So he says it doesn't have emoji support and he really needs emojis in his editor. Okay, first thing, this is vanilla Emacs installed, and we have a little cat select. We have a little smiling cat here. Now, how did I get that in there? So obviously Emacs has emoji support out of the box, no problem. But you can do insert character, and what type of emoji that I want. I want to have what I want. The cat. Let's see what other cat we got. I got a cat. Oh, that didn't work. And what was it? Smiling cat. Smiling face with horns. You know. Here we go. So it does have emoji support. Yeah. So it really depends on your font, not on Emacs. It's not a problem with Emacs. But what Emacs does have, maybe he meant that he needed color emoji support. That's something different. Let's get rid of this guy. I need to see him there. I'll post a link to that video in there, so if you guys are watching there, you can go and give him a hard time. So you don't really have to give him a hard time, but obviously there is emoji support in Emacs. Let's see how we can get it even better. What you guys want is this thing too. That's good. And global. What did I call it? What is the thing? Command log mode. Oh. Now let's see. Do I have something here for emojis? Yeah, that autocomplete there. Yeah, I do have that. I do have that thing. So let's see. Now we do have emoji support here. I think it's already. Not sure. Don't remember how I did it. If you go back and look at one of the. So if we can do like here, we can do cat. AC. MO. That's weird. Why is autocomplete mode not enabled? Because we're not using. So this is really getting off to a bad start. Just to show how to get. So let's. Where should I put this? Autocomplete, no. Languages, version control. UI tweaks. Some initial settings. Super. And spelling doesn't superfluous. Put this here and yeah, so there is a package. There's a package that and we will go and show you how doing this now. And I wish that thing didn't go around or didn't go away. So use package emojify, and let's get that installed here. And now we have emojify, and now if we do cat, So modify mode, and we can do cat. And it doesn't work. Cat. Smile. We can do it this way. I don't know why the other one didn't work. See cat. Oh, you know what? There's a there. Now there's the Unicode and there's the GitHub version. So the GitHub version is what I was trying to do before, and you see it shows them like that. And so let's try that again. We can use insert emoji there and the Unicode, and that does work. And what it's doing here is it's translating them to GIFs or some kind of image format, so you get the color emojis. Doesn't matter what font you're using. Let's see, what is that? I think there's one for emoji. Download emoji, and you can pick which type of emojis you want. Emoji. I don't want that. I don't know what that is. Let's get this. Emoji 1 package is installed. Oh, it's already downloaded. Okay, so let's take a look at the documentation for this package. Modify mode. Didn't tell us that we went. Let's take a look at the beginning of this. So, let's see. Now this one, now you see when I went over, you can see that it did say that it's using the smile. I wonder if it only works inside of comments, which would make a lot of sense. Let's try that. So, or inside a code. So, was it smile he did? Yeah, that works, because I'm a big dummy. Inside the comments, it will complete them, which is actually pretty good, because you don't want that, if you had maybe some smile here, something like that, you don't want that to, and you see that it is smile. It's auto completing it, not sure from where. Okay, so let's go back. Let's take a look at some of the options that we have here. Now you can turn on global emojify mode if that's something you want to use. Now there was some options here that you could tell it what type of emojis you wanted to use. Let's try let's try customize. Emojify. I don't know what emojify mode line does. Take a look at that in a second. Company tooltips, compose text. That's right. Okay. So you can tell it to always use the Unicode characters, which is, I guess, is the default, or you can use the ASCII string, which is going to be the oh, that's actually pretty neat. So it's going to make it look like regular emojis. So let's see what we got. Emoji styles. Let's see what we got here. What kind of styles we got. And it looks like the same thing. So it's got a pretty pretty extensive amount of options here, and I'm just babbling. But anyway, emojis work. So see what that other mode was the emoji mode, line mode. What does emoji modify mode do? Okay, didn't really explain what that does. Emojify mode 9. I guess it's with our okay, not sure what exactly that does. Shows emojis in the mode line somehow. So you can probably take a look at that, see how it works. But anyway, let's get back to our, let's kill this. Yeah, and we can also get out of here. Okay, use package emojify, and let's do init mobile emojify mode 1. And I would also like to do, is it defer? I think it is. I don't need this starting up right away. Or use package. I think it was defer. Sure, defer, custom face, defer demand. I think it's defer. So why did you make it wait? Because I don't want this loading up exactly when I'm starting. No, it's not this. This one that you can add a time. Okay, well, in the meantime, we'll leave it like that. Now let's run it again, and let's save, and let's get out of here. And you can have emojis in Emacs. No need for VS Code. Okay, so you can have emojis in Emacs. Let's take a look back at our thumbnail, and we have this little devil, which I think probably looked better in the other one, but weird that he looks like that. Let's see what happens if I make it bigger. And I seem to locked up the Emacs. Not sure exactly what I did. Up. Okay, well, that's what happens when you do fat finger demos. Things get messed up. But Emacs, you can do emojis, you can do color emojis, and you could have also set up the obvious way to do this would have been to set up your fonts so that you're using a font that has color emojis. Linux, it can be a bit of a challenge, but no, not exactly. I remember doing it before, but this is much more, I guess, clean. It'll translate your emojis. It'll also translate your emojis from those GitHub style emojis to an image if you want. And you can also get it to go the other way. So if you have a Unicode emoji, it'll translate it into a GitHub emoji, or even the ASCII, which was neat. So that will make it work on a terminal, which is something that I should be doing. Why did I not? Why is my Emacs stuck here? I did save it. So you know what? I want this. So I want that to work. So first, let's figure out what the heck is going on here. New Emacs starting here. Yep, so my emojis are working. Now, I want to run Emacs. Opa. Now, there's a thing in... Oh, that should work. Let's see how that... Yep. Now here it's showing me the Unicode character. So, how are we going to fix this? Let's go back to our init.el. Not init.el. Use package init. Okay. Now what we can do here. Let's get here. Oh, I forgot to turn on and global handlock mode. What we can do here is we can do a command. If display display p window it's window p. What was that function? So window p. What did I call that thing? IP. Display graphics speed. Okay. If we're in a graphics display, that's what we wanted. Okay. If display graphics speed. Okay, so we are in display graphics scene. Now we want to set Q. Now we could just not load this if we don't have what do you call it? If we're in a terminal and not use the Emojify mode the cloud at all. So, well, I think I'd rather use those ASCII ones. Set Q. What did I say? What did I? Modify display style. See what that was again. And image or Unicode. So this one we're going to use image, and we're going to use ASCII for display style. What is it? Oops. Displays really good. Our strings, they seem to be. So image, and so let's call that, and else ASCII. So that's good. So we got set as image. Use package, I don't know, command, what did I say, command, config, okay, let's see, what type of emoji, smile, Weird. Strange, why did they stop working? Maybe that wasn't the right Well, we just text like wink or transfer to that. So that should work. Which is display style. Let's revert this back, see what's going on here, because they are symbols. And so now I should be able to do an emoji. Here we got these guys. That's because I inserted it as ASCII. Smile. Okay, that works. Okay, so done with this. Let's just make sure that this works with yep. Hey, why didn't you work? So it is asking, it should be, because that's a Unicode character, it's not an actual emoji. So this, how do we want to do this? So let's just do a smile. Ah, why does it not work? Shift I insert emoji. Okay, here you see we got all these nice looking emojis. ASCII, all the ASCII ones, Unicode ones. Let's even find the one with the GitHub. Thumbs down sign. Well, that's boring. That's boring. Doesn't work. Why not? I don't know. Not sure why it doesn't work here. So let's try if we turn on mode. Hey, I'm live streaming for some reason. I haven't been recording this whole time.